Have you ever wondered, can cats have Down syndrome? It's a question many cat lovers ask when they see a feline with unusual features or behaviours. After all, we know Down syndrome affects humans, so it's natural to wonder if our feline friends can experience it too. Down syndrome is a genetic disorder in humans. It happens when there's an extra copy of chromosome 21. This extra chromosome leads to a range of developmental and physical characteristics that are commonly associated with Down syndrome. But can cats have this chromosomal condition? The simple answer is no. Cats cannot have Down syndrome. This is because the genetics of cats are different from humans. However, some genetic conditions in cats might show symptoms similar to Down syndrome in humans. These conditions are not Down syndrome, but they can cause certain physical or developmental differences in cats. Down syndrome is a genetic condition that affects humans. It occurs when a baby is born with an extra copy of chromosome 21. This extra chromosome changes how the baby's body and brain develop. People with Down syndrome often have distinct facial features. They might have upward slanting eyes, a flattened face, and a single crease across their palm. Down syndrome can also cause developmental delays. Children with Down syndrome may take longer to reach developmental milestones like sitting, crawling, walking, and talking. They might also have learning difficulties. Despite the challenges, people with Down syndrome can live full and happy lives, especially with proper care, support, and understanding from their families and communities. Cats have a different number of chromosomes than humans. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, while cats have only 19 pairs. This difference in chromosome number means that cats cannot have Down syndrome, as it is specifically linked to an extra copy of chromosome 21 in humans. While cats don't have Down syndrome, they can experience other genetic conditions. These conditions might result in physical characteristics or developmental delays that some might mistakenly associate with Down syndrome. It's important to remember that cats are a different species with their own unique genetic makeup. Therefore, applying human medical conditions to them can be misleading. Feline conditions that mimic Down syndrome. Several genetic conditions in cats can present symptoms that might appear similar to Down syndrome in humans. One such condition is feline cerebellar hypoplasia. Feline cerebellar hypoplasia affects the development of the cerebellum, the part of the brain responsible for coordination and balance. Cats with this condition might have difficulty walking, running, or jumping. They might also exhibit tremors, especially when they are excited or stressed. Another condition is distal polyneuropathy, which affects the nerves in a cat's paws and legs, leading to weakness, clumsiness, and difficulty walking. Cats with this condition might appear uncoordinated and have trouble jumping or climbing. These conditions are not Down syndrome, but they can cause similar physical or developmental differences in cats. If you notice any unusual symptoms in your cat, it's crucial to consult a veterinarian for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan. Caring for special needs cats. It's important to remember that every cat is unique, and some cats might require a little extra care and attention due to genetic conditions or other health issues. If you have a cat with a condition that affects its mobility or development, remember that love, patience, and a supportive environment can go a long way in ensuring its well-being. Thank you for joining us at the Animal Central. We're passionate about educating pet lovers on all aspects of animal care and well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow cat enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on all things animals. Let's continue to learn and grow together as responsible and compassionate pet parents.